Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a baking series, or not today, but this week I plan to do a series of different things I'm going to be baking. Today I started with pecan pie, and then I'm going to continue with some different cookies and some muffins. So stay tuned for those coming videos. So yeah, stay tuned for my next videos, and I hope you all enjoy this series I'm going to be making, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm just using a frozen pie crust from Marie Callender's. It's the deep dish frozen pie crust. I like to put my pie crust on a cookie sheet so that way if it leaks over, you're safe, your oven's safe. And then for your ingredients, you are going to need, first of all, I am making a pecan pie for my dad. I make pies on the side for other people, and my dad wanted a pecan pie, and since we're not having a family Thanksgiving, he wanted one for him and his wife, so I'm going to be making a pecan pie today. So all you'll need is some chopped pecans, some vanilla extract, cinnamon, 3 eggs, dark corn syrup, 3 tablespoons of salted butter, and of course, sugar. So, first thing I'm going to do is melt my butter. Okay, by the way, I got this recipe on Pinterest years ago. It's a great recipe, and I will pin it at the bottom of this video if anybody's interested in making it. So our first step, we melted our butter for the most part. I mean, it's pretty much melted. And we are going to whisk together the eggs. So we got 3 eggs. Okay, for this recipe you have to beat the eggs. And then we need to add the sugar, which you need a 1/2 cup of sugar. And then you need your melted butter. And what else do we need? We need corn syrup. And my trick for corn syrup, I use ham. I use cooking spray to coat the inside of it so that when you do use your corn syrup, it does not stick to your measuring cup, and you can actually easily clean it that way when you do wash it. So there is a cup of dark corn syrup. And it still sticks, as you can see, but it's not too bad. It easily washes out rather than it's being stuck in there and then having a hard time getting it clean. So there's that. All right, and then we're just going to mix those together, and then our last couple steps is cinnamon. It does say to use a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, but I'm just going to eyeball it because we love cinnamon. And then we need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I am going to measure this out just because, well, that's my last bit there. So that's it for that, and then we're just gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna set this mixture aside because next we need our pie crust. We are going to put all of, we need 1.5 cups of pecans, chopped pecans. So I'm just going to use this 1/2 cup. It's 2, so that's a cup right there, and then we just need 1 more, is 1.5 cups. And I only have a little bit left, so that little bag worked out perfectly. And then you just kind of shake it up, make sure that it's even on the bottom. And then we are going to pour our filling that we made and set aside, and we're going to pour it over top of these pecans. Just make sure we get all that goodness in there. All right. And then that's our final product, and the pecans float to the top, and then we'll have that nice pecan coating at the top when it's cooked. So right now we are going to, it says to bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 350, but around the 20 mark you are supposed to add aluminum foil to the sides just so that your crust doesn't get super dark and burn. So I'm going to set our oven, my oven, for 20 minutes, just so I don't forget to do that. And that's it. This is a super simple recipe that anyone can do because it's got a lot of shortcuts in it and it's nice. So yeah, that is everything for this pecan pie, and I will show you the end result once it's finished cooking. Here is what the pecan pie looks like after done baking. It cooked for exactly 45 minutes, and I actually didn't put the foil around the crust this time because it looked like it cooked good. However, it did separate a little bit, but that's okay. This is the final product, and that is my pecan pie recipe.